Recognition passes between species. Ancient, wordless understanding.
The earth itself trembles under the weight of their conflict. The cycle continues. Survival never ends. It only pauses to breathe.
60 million years ago, a world unmarred, where time moved at the pace of the wind and the forests touched the sky.
The sun returns. Life continues.
See the light! It comes! Look! Out there! We must go now! It calls to us!
Two ancient beings meet, both fighting the same tide. The sea accepts her again. The act costs him nothing, but gives him something unseen. Connection lasts a heartbeat, then drifts away with the tide. The journey continues. Each breath is a small victory against extinction. The forest closes around him. Every sound demands attention. Every shadow hides hunger. Clues whisper through the earth. To follow them is to gamble life for life. Instinct leads where reason has not yet evolved. Reflex replaces thought. Survival is faster than fear. Victory tastes of blood and silence. Hands learn faster than words could ever teach. Fire turns death into nourishment, and fear into comfort. The world offers no gratitude, only the chance to keep breathing.
The sky reminds him that even the strong must bow to nature's will.
Shelter is not built. It is found, stolen from chaos for a few heartbeats. In the sky's fury, he sees power beyond comprehension. Calm returns like breath after panic. Quiet, fragile, necessary. Creation begins with struggle. Fire obeys only those who endure. The light makes him visible to predators and gods alike. In the dance of light and shadow, awareness begins to awaken. Each dawn is both a promise and a threat. The world resets its test.
Hunger teaches patience, sharper than any blade.
Skill becomes instinct, and instinct becomes life.
Even the act of survival carries rhythm and ritual. The unseen stirs. The balance of predator and prey blurs again.
Fear sharpens awareness faster than hunger ever could. Silence becomes armor. Stillness becomes survival. He witnesses power incarnate, the jungle's first god. The creature is not chaos. It is purpose made flesh.
Recognition passes between species. Ancient, wordless understanding.
The jungle breathes again. He exhales, reborn through fear.
What he saw was impossible. Yet truth has no need of belief.
Perspective grants courage. The horizon becomes a map of survival.
He shouts to the world, not for conquest, but to declare he still exists.
The cycle continues. Survival never ends. It only pauses to breathe. Endurance is the only prayer the living truly understand.
Water is both mirror and temptation. Every reflection hides a lesson.
Relief is sudden, fleeting, and fragile. Primal terror rises with the roar of a predator unknown. Every instinct screams, move, survive, live.
The line between life and death is measured in heartbeats.
A force of nature descends. Hope arrives on massive limbs.
Strength meets fury in a battle older than memory.
The earth itself trembles under the weight of their conflict.
Victory is quiet. The threat is gone, but the lesson remains.
Power can protect as well as terrify.
Generosity transcends size and species.
Gratitude is born not from comfort, but from survival.
The Guardian departs as silently as he arrived. Giants leave no farewells.
Life continues. Nature wastes no time mourning. Still water remembers chaos beneath its surface.
Change is the only constant. Even reflections must break to reveal truth.
The weak follow the strong, not out of fear, but of wonder. The forest stands eternal, indifferent, immense, alive. Curiosity is the first step toward destiny.
He has seen power, survived chaos, and now understands no gleam. Life is a path walked forward.
Companionship lightens the burden of survival. Begins where fear once lived. History speaks in silence. Only the curious hear it.
The past touches the present, whispering that all things return.
Curiosity leads the living toward revelation or ruin.